Hello, welcome back to Bachata Library Book Camp. Today we will cover the head roll. So head roll in partner work, it will look like this.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so now we'll understand the head roll as like the body movement itself together. Then we will go separate into a leaders and follower perspective, alright? So the first, as the body movement itself, we will go ahead and learn changing the weight. So 5, 6, basic. First we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap, and we go 1, 2. Now on the 3, I'm gonna step and extend my knee. From here, check my body is a square. I am not doing any isolations yet, okay? So I need to grow together as one big tree. From here, I will then tilt to my right. From here, all I'm going to do is changing my weight. Check, change my weight, change my weight, and change my weight, and finish. Okay, so only here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Grow. Now I tilt. Now I'm going to change my weight, change my weight, change my weight, and tap. Alright, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Breathe, tilt, and I say, change my weight to the left for the follower, then my right, then my left, and breathe. And then I go back to my basic. When I'm focusing on the weight change, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, grow my knee. I tell my upper body. Now I'm going to change my weight to the left. At the same time, my chest is doing exhale to the back. Remember the hand behind you. At the same time. Now at this moment, I tell to the other side to the left. Now, when I'm passing by again, changing my weight to the right, I will do chest inhale and look up to the ceiling. Now I will allow my momentum to go to the right. Now I continue to change my weight to the left and exhale. After this, I will think inhale straight up. And then I go back to my basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the reason that my movement is doing a circular, 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 but to end the circular motion, so I will make sure I do circular, circular, and then I breathe to collect. Now the breathing to collect, I need to make sure that I'm changing and understanding the directions of my breathing is stretching my spine up to the ceiling. Alright, so it looks like this together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Breathe, extend, tilt, and then passing, and to the right, and to the left. Now breathe straight up and collect, and 1, 2, 3, and 5. Now we're gonna do it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold, and 1, 2, 3, and 5. It's okay to hold. Alright, you're doing good. Now let's make it a little faster. We will do full count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So what I need to do when I keep the full count is that I need to make sure I'm keeping the basic of my bachata, so that way I can do my upper body movement and still have the valid weight change. That way I'm ready to go back to my basic anytime. Alright, so that is the body movement itself. We'll do it one more time and then we will do it in front of you. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Full count. We go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5. One last time. 8 count. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. Now face you. 5, 6, 7. We go. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count. 5, 6, 7. Breathe and 1, 2, 3. And one more time for count. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Breathe and basic, basic, basic. And 5. Now 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, that's the body movement itself. Now we will do it with the leader's perspective.
Okay, now from the leader perspective, you have to sync your movement of the frame to the movement of the chest. Yes? So when we want to open the chest of the follower, we want to have this movement where my pinky is coming into my follower. My pinky comes inside, yes? And my index finger goes outside. But this movement is really, really small, okay? So make sure you're not doing it really big. Maybe I'm doing it bigger than usual because we want to show you visually to see what it is. But when in actual partner work, it's really, really small. So here, I want to sync this movement. When I open my chest, I also bring my pinky into the circle. When I exhale, now I do the reverse, where I bring my index finger in. This will close the chest of my follower. In and out. In and out. In and out. Okay. Now, with the counts of the leader, we will do 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. On the 3, once my feet hits the floor, I'm going to push the floor with my knee to go up and tilt. Yes, and this tilt, notice how small it is. It is not tilt out of the axis. Yes, I tilt to the left, and this tilt comes from my belly button. Yes, and goes leaning to the left. Yes, we go 1, 2, up, tilt to the left. Tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Yes, and then in this moment, we are going to close the chest of the follower as we transfer our weight and the weight of the follower to our right. Close the chest and transfer the weight. Now we go to the right. We now have this circular motion. We tilt to the right, and we're going to open the chest. At the same time, transfer our weight to the left. We go to the left. Now we're back to the tilt on the left. The same thing happens. We're going to close the chest and transfer to the right. Now, once we hit the right, we are going to breathe up and imagine someone is going to pull you from this right up to the ceiling on the diagonal way. So up right way, this is going to collect yourself as well as your follower together. Yes? So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 5, 6. Let's go. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the front view, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's go over the key points. 1, you need to transfer your weight and transfer your follower weight. 2 is that you want to have a continuous movement, no stopping in between. The third thing is we might want to keep our movement really small. Yes, we don't want to put our follower off our axis. Usually, as a leader, you have more height than your follower. So if you go to your limit, you are going to take your follower out of their axis. So you want your movement to be really small. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 8 count. 1, 2. Now 4 count. 1, 2. The other way.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3. 4 counts. 1, 2.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3.
5, 6, 7. One more time. 4 count.
5, 6. Let's go.
1, 2.
Breathe.
The other side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 8 count. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 4 count. 1, 2. 1 more time.